Hi, I'm Julius from Dealsign, and I'm going to show you how you can import a Word document so that it becomes a template and easily reusable. No need to send Word documents as email attachments after this. Before importing, I'm going to check that my example Word document has some styling. The document contains a title. Sections are styled with heading 1 in this case. And my subsections are styled with a different heading style, which in this case is heading 2. You can use any styles for your sections and subsections as long as they are different. Okay, I'm logged into Dealsign and I'll switch to the template gallery, which contains my templates and some free templates that are available for everybody in Dealsign. You can start the import by clicking the Upload Word File button. Then I select the Word document from my computer. All right, now we have this importing tool visible. On the left-hand side, I have my converted document visible, and then on the right-hand side, I have this 4-step wizard that I need to go through. First step is just to provide you help and further information on how you can import documents to Dealsign easily and quickly. The real import starts on the second step, where I need to select the title for the template. I can type it in manually, but here we have a nice text picker tool that saves me from copy-pasting the text. The third step is the key of the import. Here you need to mark the section titles. If your document has nested structure, you can also mark the subsections. I'll start with selecting the first section title. The import tool automatically recognizes all similar sections, so I can just pick one and then continue to select the subsection title. As in here at the end of the document, I have some subsections. If your document doesn't have any subsections, you can skip selecting them. Marking the sections is the most important step in the importing process. If you're not happy on how the sections were marked, you can always return to the Word editor and fix the document to have the required formatting, and then upload a new version of the Word file from here. The last step for the importing process is that I need to select some metadata for that document. After selecting those, I'm ready to continue to the template editor. Based on the titles that were selected, the importer converts the uploaded Word file to a Dealsign template. That you can now continue to edit in the template editor. This template is only visible for you now, and you can keep editing and invite your team members to use this template after you're happy with it. Please also check our template editing video to see how you can make templates that speed up your contract workflow. Thanks for watching.